Hi guys, nice to see you again. I'm Louis, product coordinator for Can-Am Accessories, and today we get to ride. We get to ride this unit, the Ryker Rally Edition, fully accessorized. And we've added some accessories up front for protection. We got the arm protectors and the rad protector. For wind protection, we have the adjustable windshield and the deflectors. And since we're gonna be riding solo, we have the driver backrest and some extra storage with the LinQ top case at the back. We also have some nice new panels, the exclusive panels, Heritage White. I think we're all set. Let's go riding. Let's go. So we are just in Valcourt right now. We're driving through the city. The small community really lives and breathes Ryker and Spider here. For me, Ryker is all about fun, and it's really starting with the seating position. You're just about a few inches up from the ground, so you really can connect with the road. Such as a nimble and agile ride, you can really feel it in the curves, and when you ride aggressively, it gives you some really good feedback from the road. As you can see, while I'm driving, I'm not shifting, I'm only twisting the throttle. So it's on automatic transmission, CVT transmission. So it's really not intimidating for newcomers. So I'm just focusing on the road, not having to think about shifting. It's easy, twist and go. It's also with the VSS system, the vehicle stability system. It's really make me feel confident while I'm riding. So I'm not intimidated by the road at all, just really nice and feeling in control. So really easy to drive, again, for newcomers and advanced as well. So really nice that way. The other thing about Ryker is customization. Customization is a big thing. There's about 1,000 ways and more that you can customize your ride. Of course, there are different panels that you can put on the vehicle, but also you can easily change your configuration as you go. So say you want to do a little trip that's longer, you can opt for storage over protection, for example, because everything comes off easy. So we got the LinQ system, we have different accessories that are easy on, easy off. So you really don't have to make a choice. It's really what you bring for the ride you're gonna do. Here we're gonna accelerate, and I'm really glad that I have my windshield, because if I didn't, I would have a lot of pressure on my chest right now. And one of the main benefits to have this windshield is you can adjust it the way you want. Today it's really nice weather, but it's a lot of humidity in the air, so I don't have the windshield all the way up because I need the extra airflow. Another cool thing with the Ryker is the whole U-fit system. Basically, you can adjust your foot pegs and your handlebar according to your ergonomic. I'm 6'1". I really like to have my foot pegs all the way extended, and I also have my the position a little more relaxed on the handlebar. The Ryker Rally Edition was built to go on unpaved road, and this is exactly where we're gonna bring it today. You can see the rubble here, and you can imagine if you would be riding with a group, you'd get all sorts of rocks thrown at you. So this is why we're having this extra protection up front with the arm protectors and the rad protector. So if you're taking the Rally Edition to unpaved road, this is exactly the protection you need. And also, if you want even more protection, we have this new skid plate coming up for model year 21. So It's an underbelly protection that again protects you from rocks. We're gonna put this on the rally mode, and we're gonna do a little bit of drift. Woohoo! This is cool. Even though I'm speeding, I really feel in control all the way with the vehicle. So when I was talking about Ryker Rally being fun, this is what I was talking about. So we are already at the end of our ride here. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like their videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the like button, and we'll see you out there. Thanks for listening.